Hello baby, just want to show some things on the bike. There it is, the beast. After hitting a roo on lucky 13th to the 10th, yay. Alright, first of all, mirrors were right back like this and down when I stopped, both of them. Right. Some bug guts. Um, Plastic pieces on the side. Turn it this way. Plastic pieces on the side. That one was already broken. Now that one's broken. Hang on, focus. Focus. No damage to the front wheel, but front brake feels funny. Come along to the back. One of my little thingies off the back that was covering the fake indicator is missing. It's gone. So is most of my oil plate. It's like an eye with a dot. Oops, go around the other side. I don't know how well you can see, but there's sort of splat marks, dots. I don't know, it's obviously bits and pieces of roo. Can't see much along the bike there at all. Now I'll go around the other side. More fucking splat marks from the shit going everywhere. Then I had a look under the bike. Alright. Where is it? Didn't look too bad. Looks like bugs and road grime. Move back a little bit. I can't see the camera anymore. That's the cap oil filter bottom piece. It was black. Was. To the top left hand corner there, you can see a big chunk of fur. Keep moving back. More moving back on the stand there. More fur on the other side. It's all been, most of it's wiped clean, kind of. More fur. More fur. Oops. More fur underneath. And on the big kickstand, center stand, some fur on it, in the center, in the middle, on the end. Then I had a bit more of a closer look at the back wheel, and I thought, oh yeah, look at that. There's some fur on the back freaking wheel. If you look at the wheel itself, see that? Piss off, dog. Alright, look. Nice clean wheel. Look at the splat marks there. Look at that black shit. That black shit is not black. It's all fucking dried blood. All on my wheel. Let's go up the top part here. Looking from over the top. Hard to see. Here we go. Dried blood, lots of it. All down the back wheel. Runs right the way down there. Right the way up and around to there. That's almost half the back wheel. It's covered in fucking blood. Splat marks. Splat marks.